Just Ivan playing. This is dinosaurs. So now we've got the choo-choos and the food and the eggs. And now he's going to do dinosaurs. I just wanted to get this because this is very Ivan. Playing. Hey Ivan, what you got there? Ivan, is that dinosaurs? You okay? Did you do it? Wow, you did do it. You did it, didn't you? Do you want to put dinosaurs and eggs with me?